Well, welcome ladies, welcome to My Simple Life, and welcome to this week's episode. If you're new here, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you a penny. And if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. My name is Carolyn Chamorro, and my goal on this YouTube channel is to inspire you, to motivate you, to get you to look at things just a wee bit differently, all in a journey that you can create for yourself of living a simple life. Well, as you can see, I'm on a different location today. Ladies, I am sitting in my guest bathroom. Did I mention that I am having work done in my home? And this is my living room. There is a lot of work going on. And so today I've got a couple of suggestions for you on how to live in physical chaos. You know, there comes a time when you're our age that you've been living in your home for a length of time, or alternatively, you might have downsized your home. And regardless, the home that you're living in now might need an upgrade or some tweaks along the way. And so when you do decide to make those changes, there sometimes, most of the time, happens to be chaos around you. Everything is thrown all over. You might find that the kitchen is in the living room and the dining room has got a toilet in it, and everything seems upside down. And in my case, there's plastic sheetings everywhere. And today I've got some ideas for you on how to cope with that. These are ideas that I've learned from working as a realtor for many years and seeing my clients having to deal with this chaos. But also along the years, I've done upgrades and I've changed things in my home, and things have been upside down. So the first thing that I would suggest for you to do is to have the end goal in mind. Understand that this is only a temporary change, and all the stuff that is everywhere where it shouldn't be is going to go back into, as I always call it, its home sweet home. Along those lines of thinking are, as best you can, put things back in their place. For example, make sure that the dirty dishes are in the dishwasher or wash them. Make sure the kitchen countertops are cleaned. Make sure that your bed is made and that the clothing that you have is all put away, whether it be hung up or put into drawers. Make sure that the keys for your car and the front door are in the place that they would normally be, and the remote control is in its place, provided it's not thrown around with everything else. But do your best to keep as much order as you can. Understand that there is going to be chaos. There's going to be dust where you can't imagine the dust came from. But keep the end goal in mind and know that this is just really temporary. And here's an exercise for you. I suggest that you sit in the mess. Have a look around you. And then close your eyes. Now, I know this is going to sound woo-woo, but trust me, it does work. Close your eyes and imagine your new home. Imagine all those tweaks. Imagine the updates. The kitchen, nice new cabinets, new countertops, new bathrooms with a nice new toilet, newly painted windows and walls, and put this picture in your mind and imagine everything is back in its place. Imagine how you will feel. Smell it, taste it, look at it through your mind's eye. And the time that it has taken to do these upgrades, to do these tweaks, these renovations, will pass very quickly. And you will have years and years of a new lease on your home. It really, really does work. You can open your eyes, by the way, now. But I have seen it over and over again. I've recommended it to my clients, and I have lived through turmoil myself on the physical level. And I'm just giving you this from my experience. I know it does work. So you can do this. Let me know if you are in the middle of renovations. If you're in the middle of planning for your reservations, let me know in the comment box below. Give me your thoughts on it, and let's all try and gather and help each other along our way to living a simple life. Until next week, ladies, who knows where I'll be? I might be sitting in my car. I might be driving around in my car. But until next week, take care, everyone. Stay well, stay safe, and I will see you very, very soon. Toodles.